Guys, we're back now with my rolson, my new rolson I should say. So let's start with this keyring loop here. Then it's got this corkscrew here. Too young for drinking it anyway. Then if I pull then the flip screwdriver out with a nail thing, or like a nail cleaner and a nail file. So I got a nail cleaner over there and there's like a nail file all across over there. So yeah, next up is this bottle opener, which is a flathead screwdriver as well. And then there's this other bottle opener over there, like that. There's that bottle opener. Then if I pull the scissors out, this nail is quite hard to pull things out. I think it needs oiling or something. There's my scissors. Then my knife, you would have seen my blade test, which is there, with a sharpener up there. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment on any other videos I could do. It will help me if you subscribed and liked my videos. See you in the next video, guys.